Do you want to pop over there and we'll come?
Yeah, we'll be.
There's no need to stand in the rain and watch us. Do you want to?
Well, it's a partnership event with Sport Wales, Stonewall Cymru and LGBT Sport Network, and it's an inclusive rugby festival to celebrate the Webb Ellis Cup being here and to demonstrate that rugby really should be an inclusive game for all.
I think what society has to be is inclusive to all, no matter who you are, whatever country you're from, whatever your colour of your skin, your religious beliefs, your sexual orientation. There should be a part for you and a place for you to be treated with respect, the same as everybody else in everyday life in society, and whatever job or hobby or role that you do in life. And sport shouldn't be any difference.
Just hold there for me.
This is all about inclusivity in sport, which is not just our elite players feeling free to be open, but anyone, at any age just wanting to take part in sport can, and knowing that they can despite who they are.
There is one thing that rugby certainly does lead the way, and that is in respect. Respect for players, each other, for spectators, and for match officials. And that is the one fundamental, true core values of rugby that is being upheld, and we have to upheld, and that is respect.